Well, daggum! We're back cooking all the way live from Canada, and today we're trying this ballcock carbonara ramen. It says it's got cheese, and you know I love cheese and meat. It's really cheesy. It looks like there's lots of noodles. I don't really know what ramen is. Ramen reminds me of that time that I was in college. Put noodles into 600 milliliters of boiling water for 5 minutes. The heck is a milliliter? I only know yards and feet. How many feet of water is a milliliter? Now I'm gonna set my house on fire, just like my heartburn is on fire when I don't have Prilosec OTC. Now we just stand here while this Boeing 747 flies over our head, honoring the great state of NASCAR, while we look at this worter starting to boil. I do like a slow burn, like that time Dale Earnhardt kissed Jeff Gordon at the center of the Daytona 500. The hell is this? This ain't look like my Olive Garden that I ordered. Alright, after you milk the 2 seasoning bags, you just gotta mix everything in the water with the noodles. And now this is how we make our ballcock ramen. The little chicken man on the front looks like he's having a good time. Like, pan over to him, looks like he's having a real good time. So I expect this to be a good time for my mouth. And I guess we'll get it. Yep, we'll get it. We will. Yeah. Get her done. Well, daggum, we got it plated in a bowl here. Now I'm gonna taste this Spanish spaghetti ballcock. That is good and spicy. That reminds me, this video was brought to you by Prilosec OTC. Get it done. Oh my goodness, this is hot. I am dying. Someone call Owen Wilson. I need CPR and I want that man's lips on me.